Hello, great and wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. Earlier yesterday, Chief Ralph Uwazurike, the president or the founder of BIM, Biafra movement, actually spoke concerning the issue of ESN and why the Southeast governors should hijack or rather take over ESN ownership, take it totally away from Nnamdi Kanu, profile it, overhaul the whole security system, train and retrain ESN for the good of the Southeasterners as a whole, and of course, owned by the Southeastern governors and the federal government so that they will work in line as a local vigilante group and seen as a regional security outfit fit for just for the southeastern governors and okay for the federal government. Of course, there was a lot of uproar here and there. Some persons were saying it's not going to work. Some persons say it's not a bad idea. But in all, Nnamdi Kanu have decided to reply Chief Uwazurike and all others who have also been thinking towards hijacking ESN from him and be given to the southeastern governors. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is Nnamdi Kanu has got to say over this matter, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has replied Chief Ralph Uwazurike for him to hand or for telling him to hand over Eastern Security Network, otherwise known as ESN, to Southeast governors. Well, during a press conference or press statement, Chief Ralph Uwazurike asked Nnamdi Kanu to hand over the Eastern Security Network he formed to the Eastern governors. Nnamdi Kanu replying said, "One hotelier said that I, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, should hand over the heavenly ordained #ESN, Eastern Security Network, to the slaves installed by Caliphate in different government houses in Biafra land. I guess with the intention of turning it to another Eastern version of the heavily politicized and now toothless #H0t in Yoruba land. He thought that I am like him, that shamelessly sold the future of our unborn generations to the same oppressors he claims to be fighting, just because all he wanted in life was to escape crippling poverty and live in style and opulence. Sadly, with the blood of Biafrans, this same individual that openly condemned the launch of #ESN, Eastern Security Network, is today clamoring to be identified with it. How times have changed. We, the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, have come with an unshakable resolve to liberate our people from the Lugadian called Nigeria. The mistake this hotelier and his like made with our collective future is what we are fighting fighting so hard to correct today. At least now he knows they can never be like us. Unlike him, Ipob, the indigenous people of Biafra, is a noble family of liberators that cannot be bought or sold to the highest bidder. Neither will we allow earthly material considerations to move us to distraction. Our mission is very simple. 1. Restore Biafra. Nothing more, nothing less. Ogbonye ọnụ ntụ agaghị igbuchi m kpere Chineke. Ikpere Chineke. I guess maybe he's saying that God will actually, I don't know, whatever, but I guess he's actually praying a special prayer that if you believe in God, God is our God. If you believe in God, all things will work together for your good. All right, I guess it was not properly written there, but whatever the case is, let's look at this very critically. At the beginning of this video, the first one where the statement was made was in a previous video. If you check our playlist, you see it. This is actually the reply of it. I knew that It was dead on arrival. Dead on arrival in the sense that I don't know if Nnamdi Kanu, even the Eastern Security operatives themselves, if they'll be willing to take another directive from another person. The only way that can work, if it will work, is for them to change, totally ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is no longer existing, and they now find out that he is no more existing. Only then would they say, okay, since our leader is no longer existing, let us go to the government, so the southeastern governors. But as it is right now, Nnamdi Kanu is existing and is still giving directives to the security outfit he formed. Like I said in the earlier video, I was of the opinion, personal opinion though, bring Nnamdi Kanu into the picture. Sit on a round table. He's an illustrious son, is he not? He's still one of Ndibo. He's the son of the soil. Bring him, let there be a round table discussion. Either you ask him how was he able to cajole young men to volunteer and secure the land. Either that, or you ask him to is there a way, there's some sort of collaboration synergy that they can do such that the ESN will be seen as theirs, or where he would mandate his operatives as his vigilante group of operatives, as ESN operative, to now be taking orders from southeastern governors. But that may be even be difficult, because these same guys, in the bid of trying to secure their bushes, have had encounters with the federal government, that's the army, where one of the governors, the Imo State governor, had actually invited the army to help bring them out, called them militants, that they are not working, as in they are working against the good of the people. They're causing insecurity and menaces in the town. Now, with all those being said, and you're not saying that these same people should now work under those who have actually want them squashed out. I just looked at it, the whole scenario. It wasn't clicking, and I don't see it happening. The only way that this can work is maybe, okay, the southeastern governors will form a totally different security network that is not ESN, and that does not have ESN operatives amongst them. And if that happens, the likelihood of ESN and that newly formed security outfit clashing is very high. You now see that it's actually a dilemma. It's a serious situation. Whatever it is, I feel that at some point, it will resolve itself when that time comes, or when it's time to cross that bridge. That's where we're going to wrap it up. What's your take on what Nnamdi Kanu has said concerning this? Or do you think there's a better idea towards this? Let's